In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add WhatsApp in Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have your WhatsApp business number connected and ready to use inside Meta's tools. Before we jump in, make sure a few things are in place. You'll need a WhatsApp business account, not the personal version. You should be an admin of your Meta Business Suite or Business Manager so you have permission to connect assets. And you must use a phone number that isn't currently linked to another WhatsApp account. If it is, disconnect it first in the WhatsApp Business app to avoid conflicts. Let's start in a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Go to business.facebook.com and log in using your business admin account. If you manage multiple businesses, select the correct one. Once you're in, look to the left menu, find the gear icon for settings, and open it. If you see an option called Business Settings, click that. This is the control center where you manage all your assets, including pages, ad accounts, and WhatsApp. Inside Business Settings, find the Accounts section in the left sidebar and select WhatsApp Accounts. If it's not immediately visible, scroll down or collapse other sections. If you still don't see it, double-check that your profile has admin access to this business. Now click Add WhatsApp Account. You'll be prompted to either create a new WhatsApp business account or claim an existing one. Choose Create New if you haven't set up WhatsApp Business at all. Choose Claim Existing if you already use the WhatsApp Business app with a dedicated number and want to connect that same number to Meta Business Suite. Next, enter the phone number you're connecting, confirm the country code, and make sure the number can receive SMS or voice calls. This number must not be in active use elsewhere. If it is, first back up your chats and disconnect or migrate within the WhatsApp Business app, then return here. When you're ready, click Continue or Send Code. A verification code will be sent via SMS, or you can opt for a voice call if SMS doesn't arrive. Open your WhatsApp Business app to ensure notifications are enabled and the number is active. Enter the 6-digit code in the meta prompt exactly as received, then click Confirm. If the code expires, request a new one and wait for the on-screen timer before retrying. After confirmation, you'll see your WhatsApp account listed under Accounts. WhatsApp accounts with the connected number. That's it. Your WhatsApp is now added to Meta Business Suite, ready for assigning permissions, linking to a page, and managing customer messages in one place.